Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome to Adobe Live and today's Adobe Express Masterclass. If we're just meeting, my name is Katrina Torrijos and I am the Adobe Express evangelist. I am also a content creator and Twitch streamer on this side, and I'm so excited to be here today. How's everyone doing? Shout out to everyone in chat. Happy Friday. I'm so excited to be here today. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hi, Cody. Thank you so much for everyone being here. Hi, Doctor Who. Hi, Anika. Hi. How's it going? Oh my gosh, I feel like I haven't seen you all in forever. It's been a while, huh? Well, for today's masterclass, we're going to be creating a personal website using Adobe Express. And this class is perfect if you're just getting started in like building your portfolio, or you don't have a website yet, and you're just in need of a quick and easy landing page for people to get to know you and to check out your work. And I went to a conference actually last week, and this actually came in clutch because I don't have a personal website or a business card, which I really should handle that, but I use an Express page to send people like a shareable link that I was just meeting so they can get to know me and what I do and some of my content, also to see some of my work. So that was really helpful. So even if you do have a website and you just need like a quick landing page or something that's like quick and easy to make, then this is perfect for you. Okay, so we are going to hop on over to my screen. We have quite a bit to get through today. Oops, this is my sound panel. You're not looking at that. Okay, so here we are in Adobe Express. And actually, we're going to do things a little bit different today. Instead of hopping right into the editor, we're actually going to go into the brand kit or the brand center. Okay. So here we have a couple brands, mock brands that I made in the past streams. And if you've missed any of those streams where I made the Lucky Ramen one, or I think I made this one also on stream, check out the past streams as well on the Adobe Express YouTube channel. Okay, so we're going to go into this brand that we made forever ago. Oh my gosh, I feel like this needs an update. And if you notice, if you scroll down here, there's this section right here that says change the look and feel of your projects. And the first one is the page. So a lot of people don't know about this, or yeah, at least I think so. I didn't know about this. But before you click on, or before you create a new page in Adobe Express, it shows on the side that you have preset themes, and we get this misconception that there aren't really that many customization options when making an Express page. Well, actually, in the brand center, you can customize all of the colors, the buttons, the headers, all that stuff, all in here. Actually, it's quite hidden. So there's like a light template, a medium template, and a dark template. So I am just going to go in and let's edit the medium template today. Hi, Oliver. Welcome to the stream. How's it going? Happy Friday. Okay, so then it'll pull up an editor sort of like this. And this is kind of like a mock Express page that you'll see when you create a new one. And this is how like things will look when you put all of your content blocks together. So starting from the top here, we're just going to go down the list and see what we want to change. So here we have the title. So you can change the type of title that you want. You can add a block behind it, a banner, or a little like, what's it called? What is this called? Not a border, but like a divider. Yeah. And then you can also change the color of the divider as well. So I really like this block here. For the background, maybe let's lighten it up a little bit. Like maybe let's make it a gray. And then I want to ask chat really quick. How many of y'all have used Express Page before? Or haven't used Express Page before? I feel like every time I ask folks, there are some super fans. I've met super fans of Express Page, and I've met also people who have never heard of Express Page or knew that we do web pages. So which one are you? Did you know about this? Are you a fan, or is this your first time hearing about it? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so we have this. Oh, we have the background. You can change the background color too. And then the great part about this is, oh, it's kind of cut off on this side. Let me fix that. Oh, that is my thing. The little color palette thingy is cut off on the side a little bit, but that's okay. But your brand colors will show up at the top here, so you can change the color, or you can use what's it called, manually select it from the gradients here. So I think it was on this one, which is fine. And then if we go back, let's also change the heading. So heading looks like this. We can add an underline, make it centered. Oh, I really like this one. What should we make the shape? Should we make it blue? Oh, the dark brown's nice. And you can also change the text too. So your brand fonts will be at the top, or you can choose a couple different ones as well. If you don't have a brand font, and you can also make it all caps. Whoa, I don't know about that. Okay, and then let's change the heading at number 2. That looks good. Color, that looks fine to me. And then quotes, we'll change how quotes look. I haven't used it yet. Oh, Christelle, awesome. I have, but only for trying stuff out so far. Nice, Oliver, nice. That's great. Well, I really like Express Page a lot because 1, it's like a free hosted landing page, and 2, you can use it for so many different things. Like I've had, what's it called? I had an article written about me on Express Page. Someone on my team was writing like profiles of like some of our team members like a couple years ago. That was really fun. It's great to display your work, or even have like a link out to like your portfolio or your other socials. I've used it as actually a giveaway item. So like a swag bag. So I was like linking to like digital downloads and stuff like that on there. And it was just really useful in my opinion. Okay, so I like that. Oh wait, let's change the shape. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. And then we're gonna go down. You can even change the buttons, how they look. Oh, I always like this one. Let's go with this. And then maybe let's make it dark brown. Let's keep with the brown theme. Oh, that looks cool. What about this? And then when it hovers, it just lightens. Okay, that looks pretty good. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then for links, how are links gonna look? So normal, maybe let's do dark, and then on hover, let's do the lighter one. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna keep scrolling. And then here's how photos are going to look inline. You can have it have like the caption on the bottom, or have the caption highlighted, or you can do it like this where it's like a little picture popping out. Oh my gosh, wait, I really like that. I really like that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think we're going to keep it. Yeah, let's keep it. Okay. Okay, and then we'll look at full width pictures. This looks fine. Oops, clicked paragraph. Window, this looks good. And then the text, do you want it transparent? Okay, that looks good. That looks fine. The full screen one, same thing. We have the box here. That looks good. And then grid, how our grid's gonna look. You can have the caption on the bottom, or just like that. Or we can have like, oh, I kind of like this. All right, we're keeping it. And then the glide show. Okay, so we have it looking like this. Button, heading 2, okay. All right, okay, Cool. So that is all the customization options for this. I think we're done. Let's just hit done so it saves. And now we can go into making, actually, let's make headers, like custom headers for it. Okay, so let's actually make some graphics to go on the page, which is great because you can actually put in images from Express onto, onto your page. So let's actually go into custom size. Let's do the landscape. Just curious to know, like, what JavaScript framework is good for single page personal website? That is a great question. Can anyone in chat who has experience in JavaScript answer startup's question? Okay. Let's see. So now we're going to make like little custom headers for our page. So things like, I think for the sections that we're going to make, I'm going to definitely do an about me section, about my work. I'm going to put in some of my experience in there, and then like a couple other ones that I want to display. So we're going to make quite a few of these, and it's really easy to make. We're going to keep it simple for these graphics today. So we're just going to go into design assets, and then we're going to, let's do like a brush or something. It's maybe like a watercolor asset. Let's see. Warm tones. I mean, our layout today is pretty warm. Maybe you can go with this one. This one looks pretty good. So we're just gonna make this big. And then we're going to add some text over it, which will be our header text. Gonna click add your text, bring it over. And we're going to make a couple of these, so bear with me here. About me. Let's drag the corners. I'll make this white. We'll add the drop shadow and outline combo that I always do. We're going to change these to the darker color. There you go. And we're just going to pop that on just like so until it's in the center. Like that. Nice. Okay, so we're going to hit download, do PNG. We're going to do transparent PNG. And then I'm going to make a folder. New folder. I should have done this earlier. Folder. We'll call this one headings. Okay. And then this one will be about me. Save. Oops. Wait. I did it wrong. There you go. We'll go into this folder and then hit save. Okay. And then now we're just going to continue on and put in the other titles or headers. About my work. All right. Transparent. This one about work. So while I do this, quick question. Does anyone have any weekend plans? It is Friday. My weekend plans include, I'm actually going to Nevada this weekend to spend some time with family. Let's do, I have a section about my Adobe stuff. But yeah, I want to know, does anyone have any exciting weekend plans today? I mean, today. Well, I guess today's the weekend. save. And then we'll do another one. Content creation. Okay, centered, download, PNG, transparent, content creation, save, and then this one's called When I'm Not Working, which will be like my hobbies section. It down like that. Okay. Where's the line? Where's the snapping line? Okay, there it is. Okay. Download, PNG, transparent, very repetitive. As y'all know, Adobe Express is so easy. And, you know, sometimes you find yourself just blazing through all of your headers. I'll just call this one hobbies. Okay, and then I'm gonna put in a section for my YouTube videos that I've been on, as seen on YouTube. Okay, and then we're just gonna download. Don't worry, we're almost there, y'all. Finally in the right place. Started out in YouTube again. Barbara! Hello! Welcome to the stream. Yes, you've come to the right place. I mean, there's no wrong place. You could be in both if you wanted to. Let's just do YouTube. But how's it going, Barbara? Welcome to the stream. Today we are making a personal website on Adobe Express page today. Okay, and then last one, get in touch. So this one will be like my call to action, which will be like at the end. So I'll drop in some links. Download, PNG, transparent PNG. Get in touch. Okay, wait. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me count my notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, cool. Not forgetting anything. All right. Okay, so now that we have everything saved, now we're going to go back to the home page, and then we're going to finally create our page. So we're going to press the plus button here, scroll down to kind of the bottom. You'll see web page. And so we're just going to click on that, and then it's going to make a new page for us. And then, so, excuse me, as you can see, there's no theme attached to this, so we're going to click on themes here, and then you'll have the brand themes up at the top, and then there's also these themes right here, which you can choose from. But today, since we worked on the medium, we'll put that right on here, and then now the medium theme is applied. Okay, so first things first, we are going to start basically from the header, and we're going to work from top down. Okay, so first we're going to click on the plus sign here, and we're going to add a photo. And for photos, you can pull from the Adobe stock photo collection. You can upload your photo, or you can, just like in Express, you can take a photo right then and there. You can pull from your Lightroom, your CC libraries, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Okay. So let's see. Let's go to Lightroom, and then we're going to go to my Adobe website folder. Oh, clearly I ignore that. I practiced. Okay. Okay, so we are going to click on a photo here. This looks pretty good. We're going to add it here. And I like having like candid, more action shots of me, I guess. Just because, I don't know, I feel like it just brings more I don't want to say perspective, but more like action, more movement in the photo or in the overall page. So like if you're making a website, try and get as many shots of you like in the field while you're doing the work. So it just, I don't know. I just feel like it casts a vision when it shows like when photos show you in the zone and you in your element. I think it's like, I don't know. I think it's a lot better than just having like a static photo of you smiling at the camera, you know? So I don't know. If you have any photos of you working, definitely include those. And if you don't have any photos of you like at work or like in the zone, ask someone to take some of you. Okay, so we have this photo. If you click on it, you can replace it, delete it, or change the focal point, which is a game changer because as you can see, as you scroll down, the photo like will kind of shift, and also sometimes the crop won't turn out the way that you want. So we're just going to click on focal points, and you can actually drag where you want the photo like to be framed. So we're just going to click there, going to hit save. And then now we're going to proceed with adding a title. So since this will be my personal website, we'll put in my name and then the subtitle. You can put like your title, occupation, what you identify as. So for me, I'm going to put like content creator and we'll be general, tech evangelist. Or I guess I could say Adobe Evangelist. Yeah, why not? Let's do Adobe Evangelist. Might be general. Let's call it out here. Okay. Cool. So when that's done, to add a content block, all you have to do is hit the plus button here, and then you will be able to add a photo, text, a button, video, a photo grid, a glide show, or split layout. And we'll be making a bunch of these today. So next up, we are going to do what are we going to do? We're going to do a split layout today. So a split layout will be like an image and then some text on the side. Okay. So we're going to just add another image the same way we did. Just click on it. And then let's click on this photo of me walking. This was me in Boise. I was in Boise last weekend for the Craft and Commerce conference. And this is a photo that you may know this person. Her name is Jordan. She's a community manager on our team here. She's hopped on Adobe Live a couple times. She took this nice photo of me. And so I'm going to add it here. Just to show people what I look like. Anyways. So next we're going to add this about me section. So we're going to add this photo. Is it in photo? Yes, we're going to do photo. But we're not going to do Lightroom. So we're going to just hit that cancel and then go to upload photo. And then this is where the headers come into play. So we're going to add the about me here. And then, oh my gosh, this is why I didn't choose. Okay. So we have the about me here. And then for single photos, I actually set it in the theme that it would pop out like this. So if you see that something kind of doesn't work out in the theme as you're putting it together, it's fine. We can always go back and then go back to the brand center, and then we can edit the theme here. So we're going to go in here and then under photo where it says inline, see, this is where you pick that style. We're just going to go back to the default. And then hopefully it applies next time we pop onto our page. Okay, there, see? The effect automatically updated here. Okay, so then after the about me, we're just gonna add a plus and then, or add a plus. We're gonna click on the plus button and then we're going to add in some text, and I'm gonna put in some about me text here. I have it behind the scenes. I have it off to the side so y'all don't have to sit through me having to type and think through all of this text. What I'm going to put in my about me. But this is just a general couple paragraphs about what I've done and what I do now. And then next we're going to move on to the next section. So we're going to click the plus. we're gonna do the heading, the about my work heading. You're gonna go to upload photo, about work. There you go. Oh my gosh, it made it big. That's fine. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, and then we're gonna hit the plus button again, and this time I believe we're going to do a glide show, a fancy glide show. So for the glide show, what happens is when basically you add like photos to the glide show, and as you're scrolling down, the photos will transition, and then you can add like a caption to each photo on the side. So we're going to kind of hack it and like make it more of like 3 sections but on one content block. Sounds a little confusing, but we'll see. We'll do this together. Okay. So we're actually going to go into Lightroom, and then we're going to choose our photos, Adobe website. We're going to choose this one first, and then we're going to go add in 2 more. Let's see. We'll add this blank one of the setup that I did, and then we're going to go back in and do this one. So once you have your photos, hit save, and then they will all be in a glide show like this. So when you're scrolling down, oh my gosh, this is kind of massive, but it's okay. We're going to scroll down, and then as you keep scrolling, it becomes a new photo and a new section. So we have a little bit of editing to do, but that's okay. Okay, so starting off with this one, oh my gosh, this was in Adobe Max 2019, the last time it was in person, and this was when I was on the students team, and we brought some awesome students to Adobe Max this year. Which, speaking of Max, is anyone going this year, in person or virtual? I'd love to know. Suchi said, can we use this personal website design here in Adobe Express and also use that on an existing third-party website? We're already hosting existing website, or do we have to host it on adobeexpress.com or express.adobe.com only? Put another way, we design a page here on Express. Can we also copy and use that page on another website provider? Existing provider hosting on the site. Suchi, I know that these web pages, they are already hosted on express.adobe.com. So if you mean linking out from your existing website to an Express page, you can totally do that. All you have to do is copy the link and include the hyperlink somewhere on your site. But just know that the domain will just always be on express.adobe.com. This part you can't change. So if you do link it on your existing website, folks will still be able to access the page. Just know that it's on, 2 different domains. Not going in person, but we'll be joining Virtual Max. Yay, Oliver! So excited. So excited. Hope to see you in the chat then. That's awesome. Okay. So we're going to start with this section. We're going to do the photo. Oh, wait, not this photo. Cancel, upload. We're going to do the heading. We're going to start with the Adobe experience first. Oh my gosh, I like it. And then we're going to add some text. And then I'm going to just pop in my Adobe experience for y'all. So we're just going to do this, add text. There you go. And then imagine if I didn't pre-write any of these texts, we would be here for more than an hour, I think. This would be a really long class. Okay. I'm going to add text. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then, so now we have this photo. And for this photo, as you can see, it kind of misses the mark here. But so we're just going to edit the focal point here. And we're just going to drag it down to like my tech here so that when you scroll, things are in frame. And I kind of want to edit a little bit further. Let's bring it up here. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Nice. Okay. Actually, wait. No, I changed my mind. Oh my gosh. Read a little bit down here. Okay. Cool. So now we're going to do the second section, and for this one, I actually want the box to be here. So you can actually change the position of this box just by dragging it. You can have it on the side, you can have it on the center, you can also do it on the right side. So we're going to just pop this open, do the same thing with the photos. This will be the content creation section. Then we're gonna add some text. And it's just a little bit on what I do on the side. Start text, there you go. And then that's finished. And then we're gonna keep scrolling down. And we're gonna edit the focal point on this to be my face. Like that, okay. Save, oh my gosh, I feel like I need to update these photos too. I feel like I took these so long ago. Okay, and then the box is on the correct side, so we're just gonna do this photo. Gonna upload this heading, and I believe this one is hobbies when I'm not working. Cool. Okay, then we're gonna add the plus. This one is the shortest section because honestly, this is my hobby. Honestly, when I'm not live streaming or working, I am live streaming or editing content. Okay. Thanks, Katrina. That answers my question. Content creator here stays here. Can't be taken to a different provider. Yes, got it. Glad I answered your question, C-Cheat. Startup says, any sample lists of other express.adobe.com personal websites? I have a few. Startup, if you connect with me offline on Discord, I can definitely send you a list of sites that I've made. But I actually did survey the community if anyone had any Express pages that I could look at before this, and no one responded to me. But it's okay, it's okay. So if you're watching this like live or the replay and you have an Express page, feel free to send it over to Startup or post it on the Adobe Express Discord server. I would love to see all of your Express pages and leave y'all a little heart appreciates on the bottom. And I'd just love to see how other people use Express page. I think that'd be super helpful. Okay, so cool. Now that we have the glide show, oh my gosh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Scrolling. Oh my gosh, it's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Actually, maybe I want to change this to like white. We'll see. That's the great thing about Express pages. If you want to change your theme while you're creating, you can easily do that with one click. That's why they have the 3 different templates that I showed in the beginning, the light, medium, and the dark template, which you can also rename if you want. So you can switch between each template or even like go back into the brand kit thingy and then edit individual elements, and then it'll auto update. So this is great because I've made my own website before. It's not that easy. Okay, so next we're going to add a YouTube section. So we're going to go into photo, and then we're going to add in our YouTube section, and then we're going to go and add a video. So here you're going to press the plus button again, and you will click on video, and you have the option to put in a video link, and you can use Vimeo, YouTube, or Adobe Express Spark Video. And then so I do have a link already pre-saved. Let's put in the last masterclass that we did. Save, and then once you hit save, it'll pop up like this. How fun! And then you can add in like multiple videos in a row, and it's pretty easy. Okay, so next Should we add in another video? No, I think we're good. We're good. I could go on and add so many more videos, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna work on the next section. So we're gonna do another split layout, and this will be the last layout or the last thing that we put. And it'll be the call to action or the get in touch section. So if you're making a landing page like this, make sure to include your own personal links, so people can get in touch with you. So as they're scrolling through like their page or your page, and they want to learn more about you, I think personally it's a great idea to put in your LinkedIn, your portfolio, maybe your socials like Instagram, or if you do YouTube videos, just so folks can get a lot more information from you. And also if you do have your own portfolio website, or you do have if you do want to link to your Adobe portfolio or your Behance, then definitely drop those in as well, because like I said, like Express page is more so like a landing page, something that's like quick and easy, and people can access it very quickly just on their phones and stuff. And like if you have like a larger website, or more content that you want to put in that won't necessarily fit on this page, you can definitely link to your other stuff. So we're gonna go in and add our image from Lightroom. Okay. And then we're going to back to the Adobe website. We're going to put in this photo. Oh my gosh, look, this is baby Katrina on like her first, I don't even know if it was a year at this point, but I was something months working at Adobe and I took this picture. I was so happy. Okay. And then we're going to adjust the focal point. Aww. I haven't looked at this photo in so long. Okay. Next, we're going to add in the section. So it pulls up Lightroom, but we're going to upload. Get in touch. Oh, okay. And then we're going to add text. So I put in a little bit of text that says contact me via email. And then I put in like a hello at, and the reason why I put the at is because, sorry, it keeps the text editing window keeps popping up. But the reason why I spelled out the email like this is because there are so many like bots and stuff just searching the internet. So if you actually put the at symbol, like put your full like email on the page, bots will find you and you'll get so much more spam. So I just do the at, like I spell out at because, it doesn't make, it's harder to copy and paste for bots, okay? This is how you outsmart the bots from getting your email. Okay, so now we're going to add in a couple of links. So you can add in a button here, so you can adjust the button text, the justification of it, and then justification, alignment. Are they the same? Yeah. And then you can put in the link here. So I'm going to add in a couple links today. I'm just going to copy this. This is my LinkedIn, by the way, shameless plug. If we haven't connected on LinkedIn yet, hit me up. Let's do middle. And then I'm going to add in another one. Let's do Instagram. Okay, and then we're going to align it, save, and then I'm going to do another one. We're going to link to my YouTube channel. YouTube. Middle and save. Okay. Oh my gosh, this looks pretty good. Okay, so we kind of put this together without really looking at how it looks like in the preview mode. So let's see how we did. Let's see how we did. So in order to look at your page, all you have to do is hit preview up here, and then it will show you what your page looks like. Good tip. Thanks, Katrina. You're welcome, Christelle. Yes, I've had so many spam in my email, and I'm like, why? It's because of that ad. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Content creator, Adobe Evangelist. Looks pretty good. A content creator from the Bay Area. All the information about my work. These are pretty massive. I think next time I'm going to do like a smaller graphic. But overall, it looks pretty good. And then we have the glideshow. The only thing I'm not crazy about is this cream now against this graphic, because I thought, you know, a warm tone graphic going with, you know, I thought warm tones for the background, but now I'm rethinking because they kind of are clashing a bit, but we can easily fix that. Okay. Crop looks good. Nice. Okay. And then get in touch, and it has a little logo at the end. Okay. Cool. Okay, so this looks pretty good. I think I need to make a little bit of adjustments. Like this one, I think I would want this to be like the cream color that we were going for here. Oh wait, but if I change that, then that doesn't matter. Okay. You know what? I know what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna go back into web page, and then we're actually gonna change what it's going to change the background color. So popping in back here, where do we edit that? Background. I think it's background. Okay, we're going to make this I'm just eyeballing it right now, but if you have it saved, if it's part of your brand colors, definitely go for it. I'm gonna go for like an off-white that matches the font that we used. Something like that. And then I think that's it. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Done. And then so now we're going to go back into the page. Okay. Already looking kind of better. Okay, yeah. So to edit the background, it's talking about the background of the content blocks. So this is kind of what it looks like. Content creation when I'm not working. We have a video here. Maybe I'll add in a couple more videos. It's kind of sad that it's just one video. Get in touch, and then I am missing a link. Okay. Cool. See a few more adjustments, and then we should be okay. Let's see. Here we go. So we're going to just add in a bit more videos here. Let's see. Let me just pop on over to see what's on my YouTube channel. Give me 1 second. Okay, let me grab some links. So, okay. So we have a couple more links here. We just need to fluff it up a bit and like add more content. Okay, and then we're gonna do add in some videos. So another pro tip that I have for like when you're adding media or like videos, especially for YouTube, for me personally, like I am an advocate for like just working with what you have. So if you are just starting out and you are just having, or you only have videos like that you filmed yourself, definitely roll with those. But like as you start growing and as you start meeting new people, eventually you'll start being asked to guest on podcasts or like other people's videos. And whenever you get a chance to be on someone else's platform, definitely link out to that, whether if it's a video, a podcast, a collaboration post on Instagram or something, because I just feel like it's just a different, I don't know. I feel like there's two different kinds of like benefits. Like one, it shows you in from someone else's perspective on someone else's content, and it also shows that, you know, you are collaborative and you work with the community and stuff. And you know, I don't know. There's something about showing up and supporting other creators and other channels and other communities that I feel looks really good, especially on a personal website. So here with these videos, I strategically selected these because one, Masterclass, you know, it's pretty big. This is a pretty big highlight for Adobe Express, that we have 1 hour together each week where I teach y'all about Adobe Express, and also where y'all teach me. And I feel like it's a lot of the Adobe community. So we have Adobe community covered here. And then I guested on another podcast. And it's these two girls from Australia. They reached out to me and there's this video that I have on my channel about how I became a full-time creator. And this was kind of like a follow-up to that video. So rather than posting that video where like I had really good return on and people were asking me questions and stuff, like I posted the follow-up to it, the follow-up conversation, because this happened a little later. And, you know, I've never collaborated with the creators of this podcast before, so I thought it would be just great to have it here. And then we're on the third video. This third video I linked is the Dream Job Journey, which is another event series we hosted with Adobe, but a completely different audience. So this is like talking to students and like less designy like this session, but more about like career tips and more, you know, showcasing other creators in the community. And then last one is how to be confident on camera. So this is from my own personal channel, and this is like a video that I created myself, and it's just to show, you know, a sample of what videos on the home base looks like. So that's why I linked all four of these videos. So there's some strategy behind it, and I feel like the more you diversify your content and like where you're appearing on certain spaces, I think really rounds you out as like a creator or a person that, like, if someone is like trying to recruit for like a brand campaign or wants to hire you for work or something like that, I just feel like it gives like different facets of your creativity and your business. So okay, and then let's see, going back, I feel like there's one thing we didn't do, and that was proofread, and I'm so scared of typos, so we're just gonna go in and scan really quick, and maybe even, oh my gosh, you know what would be great also, this is what I also forgot to do in this text. All of this text is the same. I feel like if you also bold certain things, you can also hyperlink certain things. That's a great way as well to provide, you know, to call out specific things on your website, like important details. Like when I see this about me, I just see 2 paragraphs of text, you know, but if I see something like content creator based in the Bay Area, that is a key word that some brands like look for. Like if they are looking for specific creators in an area, this is something I would want them to catch first, you know? So stuff like that. Since graduating, created a career in content creation and social media marketing. This is like another thing that you could bold if you wanted to. It's like bolding keywords is really great, especially if you're using your personal website for like, for applying to jobs. This is how you highlight the keywords. Currently work as an evangelist for Adobe Express. Ooh, that deserves a bold. But also, I could use that as a link too and link to these masterclasses. And then I run my own YouTube channel and Twitch stream. So this one I would hyperlink. So you could link this and then go to, just type it in, youtube.com/Katrina Torrijos. Save. And then the links will appear like that. And then on Twitch, we can also link that. Right? Is that how you do it? Yeah. Okay. My content focuses on tips and advice for new creators, as well as an inside look on my life and journey as a full-time creator. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll bold this. Inside look on my life and journey. We'll do journey as a full-time creator. Awesome. Okay. And then we're just going to keep scrolling. You can do the same thing here. This is around building brand awareness. Oh my gosh, this is a long sentence. My gosh. And then, bold all of it. It's all important. On weekly classes on Adobe Live about how to use Adobe Express. You know, this is an opportunity right here. Weekly classes on Adobe Live. And then let me actually I have a playlist. Let me see. Let's look at this playlist. Share. Copy. We're gonna link this out. Perfect. We got to get more people in these masterclasses, man. They're missing A+ content. Is the webpage going to support several languages? That is a great question, Crystal. I am not too sure about that. But if anyone in the comments can help out, or I will get back to you, Crystal. Are you on Discord? Message me on Discord. I will find out for you after the stream. Hope this personal website works fine with mobile, web browser, tablet, etc. Yes, it is. What's it called? Yes, it is responsive. So I can show you really quick. If we do this, it's responsive with the page. Everything scales. So yeah, it works great. Cool. So that was pretty easy. Everything looks pretty good. All really that's left to do is to go through all the text and bold stuff. But essentially, that is Express page in an hour. That's amazing. So with that, I guess that wraps it up for this class. Thank you all so much for tuning in today. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Adobe Express YouTube channel for more content just like this. Lastly, thank you all so much again. Always, thank you so much for watching this class, and I will see you all next time. All right. Have a good weekend, y'all. Bye.